Ooh, what the hell is this? The Big Chungus Hench ATX mid tower.
That looks crazy.
What even is that, bro? That's a mad, like, time for the Big Chungus. Time for the Big Chungus. That looks mad, bro. Like,
What the hell? No one's rocking that. No one.
Isa, should I become the guy? Should I be the Chungus guy?
The Big Chungus hench.
Should I be the Big Chungus guy, bro?
You
Imagine
can't.
rocking that, bro. Imagine someone comes home and says, "Yo, what the fuck is that?"
That it looks. It doesn't look too bad. Like
Huh?
I can see it like being some cool feature.
What about this one, bro? I call this one the fucking microwave. Imagine,
That is
imagine,
terrible. That's
imagine someone comes over, they're like,